Okay, so as you can see, these are the roof vents. And this is sort of how they start out. They start out like this, but you got to cut the top off. See that? This is how it is, you see. Cut that top right off with a... I used a grinder. Then you use one of these little buggers to take it down. You see that? See that? That's how it's starting to look. And then the finished product is this, you see. So now you've got your updated frame, which is gorgeous, as you can see. And I'll get the next video on how you do the next phase. So now you have your frame, okay? Beautiful frame. So what's going to happen here is you're going to have a weather stripping and this magic Dicor tape that is this sort of like never drying adhesive that sort of sandwiches itself between the plexiglass and the frame. And I'm using these holes along with more holes around to really firmly place that plexiglass on the top here.